Well, with bad weather last night and a lot of driving, I passed out early. Couldn't chase any auroras or northern lights. But look at this view. This was the guest house. So this was my hotel. Look at that behind it. Always beautiful scenes here in Iceland, but then this is what really makes me happy. Yeah, a nice little bay with some sheep. So, more adventures today. Glaciers ahead. I repeat, glaciers ahead. And there's seals. I have never seen anything so beautiful in my life. Hi, little dude. I'm gonna name you Evie. You're my little Evie for Iceland. And there's another one. Hey, little Evie's coming over to see us. Hi, little Evie. So there it is. It is really, really massive and really, really thick. It's hard to really get a scale of it through this screen, but again, be kind to the planet. These things are melting, and that's not a good thing. Okay, so I found this little bit of a glacier. Don't try this at home, but I've really wanted to do this. Icelandic. Does this just exist? Massive glacier. Beautiful. Also, these are everywhere on this road. It's kind of crazy being the biggest and most popular highway that there are one-lane bridges, so you just gotta wait. Isn't this nuts? So crazy. Hello, people. And then when you don't see any more headlights, it is your time to go. So be safe when you're driving here in Iceland. Just like that, we're on the other side. All right, now we go to Svartifoss. It's gonna be a really, really, really cool looking waterfall. Well, here is a map of this great area, and each of those dots, those numbers, is a volcano. And you can see the glaciers here, going right into the ocean. And here's another very important message. Can't stress it enough. Just casually looking down on a small waterfall. Right on the edge. Don't fall in, Tony. Whew. Didn't realize I had be challenging also my fear of heights. Not so much fear, but just get really weird around it. So, yeah. Still got about a kilometer left until we hit Svartifoss. And this is not the main attraction. There's better falls ahead. Also, you may want to prep yourself when you're coming here. Get in some walking beforehand because there's plenty of it. And getting out there, it's all uphill. There it is out in the distance. Woohoo! And there it is. Oof. Steep. Made it. Oh, cool. Probably the coolest waterfall I've ever seen. All right. I've always wanted to try Icelandic water straight from the tap. So, you know the drill. Beautiful. The things I do to get the shot and to get a drink. Oh well. And you probably can't see it, but went up to my elbow in water. Worth it. Worth it. So let's go dry out the shoes. Walk back for over a mile. And go to the next stop. Whew. Soggy, soggy shoes. On the way back down. Feels so good. Much easier than going up. All right, we are at Reynisfjara Beach. And this is the last natural beauty of the day, not of the trip, but just another Iceland win. It's getting too easy for them. Like to skip rocks, I think you're in heaven. And that right there is the most sun that I've seen all day. Now let's look at what makes this so famous, the black sand. found shelter in this really cool cave thing. We'll look back out there. So cool. It's windy. It's real windy. Volcanoes are rad. Goodbye, beach. I'm hungry now. How about some pizza? Yeah, some Icelandic pizza. Sounds good to me. All right, we're here. Flat Crust Pizzeria. So did some research, obviously, just a little bit before I came. So that's what I do. The number 10, they have a vegan here. A vegan pizza. I'm so excited. I'm excited for everything this trip, I guess. There we go. Ooh, and some drinks. You know what I'm gonna get. Yum. Delicious. Dessert is served. Hopefully it shows up, but a lovely way to end the day. Great food and a rainbow. Christmas cola? Okay. Well, guys, I did it. They weren't the prettiest. They weren't really visible to the naked eye, but I got them. The Northern Lights. Here's the photos that I took. I hope they turned out all right. They looked somewhat decent on the small viewfinder of my camera, but they could be incredibly blurry, but it doesn't matter. I saw them. Thank you, Iceland. Thank you. And for a celebratory drink, since I am here in the season, this is a specialty, I guess. It is that Appleton, which was that basically Fanta orange, but a little bit different, with a non-alcoholic malted drink. And it's mixed together like half and half. Same company that I had on the airplane. Let's try it. Ooh, looks kind of funny. All right. Tastes like orange bread. It's all right. All right. The one that I liked a little bit better was the Christmas cola with Crazy Santa, who appears to be robbing people. And this is what I am seeing for the Northern Lights. You can't see anything, can you? I promise you, I'm showing you. See, there's stuff out here. I promise.